Welcome to our explanation video for traffic light system which is produced by FORBIX Semicon India Bangalore. So here if you see there are two parts, like one is this traffic light which comprises of three lights, and the top is red, the center one is yellow or amber, and the third one is green. So and this is the receiver to which the lights are connected. So we'll see first the connections of the lights, then we'll see how it functions. So this is the receiver for the traffic lights, and on the top you can just see there is an antenna, and depending upon the range which the customer is asking. So we have like short range which is like 100 to 150 meters, and we also have an option for long range system which is greater than 2 kilometers. So depending upon the range of communications, and the antennas may change and the internal hardware also changes. But just to make the point clear that we have an options to use this machine to the distance whichever you want. So on the center, like inside of this metal enclosures, we have this receiver fixed, so people can opt for enclosures, and if you don't need the enclosures you can also purchase without the enclosures. So enclosures are just for an additional safety purpose, where this is kept outside in the open air. So for the receiver part, if you just see, there are 4 lights arranged in straight way, and there's one yellow LED which is there on the right hand side. So this LED indicates that the system is on, and this 4 LED one is each for one color. So top is for red, and the center is for yellow, and the bottom is for green, and the one which is there on the top is for to sync. So whenever I press something, it is just syncing here. We have 2 different remotes as given here in the video. The function of the first remote is that whenever you press any switch, depending upon which switch you are pressing, so we have 3. So top is for red, center is for yellow, and the bottom is for the green. So I am just pressing top, it becomes red. I press the middle, it turns to yellow, and the bottom it turns to green. So this is the function of the first button. So with an instant click, the color of the LED changes. Similarly, if you look at this remote, we have given a buffer time. So instantly from changing one color to another, we have a buffer. Like whenever you press any switch, like from green, if you want to go to red, it goes to amber, and then it comes to red. So similar is for the case when you want to go from red to green. So this gives a buffer time for the people who are crossing the roadways, or you're using this traffic light, so they get a buffer. So this buffer can be set as per your convenience, or you can just let us know, and we can set the buffer time and give you. So this is how our traffic light system works. So one remote, we have a buffer time where the LEDs from any colors, like from green to red, if you want to go, it goes from red and green to amber to green. So this is the function of this. And the second remote, it functions instantly. So from green it goes directly to red, yellow, green. So whichever you button press, instantly it works. For any more details, you can just check our website FORBIX Semicon on Google, and you will be on that. You can just select traffic lights, and you will be redirected to that page where you can find all the details. So for any orders, queries, you can contact our number or our WhatsApp or email, which is given on the contact us page. I hope this video is useful for you, and we are looking up catching you right on our website. Thank you.